Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Cannabis Connection. I'm Jonathan Gallo, Vandeventer Black, and today we're going to talk about a marijuana banking legislation update in the Congress, the SAFE Banking Act. This week, the Secure and Fair Banking Act, otherwise known as the SAFE Banking Act, which would prohibit financial institutions from being penalized for doing business with marijuana companies, was stripped from the National Defense Authorization Act, or the NDAA, which is the omnibus spending bill now pending in Congress. In September, the House of Representatives included the Safe Banking Act as an amendment to the NDAA for the fiscal year of 2022, but it was removed by a conference committee in the Senate this week. United States Representative Ed Perlmutter, Democrat from Colorado, confirmed the legislation's removal on his Twitter feed. The House of Representatives has passed similar cannabis banking reform bill previously. In fact, the Safe Banking Act has been passed 5 times by the House, but that legislation has yet to make it through the Senate. The Safe Banking Act would ease restrictions on the use of banking services by legitimate marijuana related businesses by, among other things, prohibiting a federal banking regulator from penalizing a depository institution for providing banking services to a cannabis related business where state law allows such businesses. According to a recent tweet by Representative Perlmutter, the Safe Banking Act would strengthen the security of our financial system and keep bad actors like cartels out. And most importantly, it would reduce the risk of violent crime in our communities. Now, the Safe Banking Act ran up against some opposition from key Senate Democrats and the Drug Policy Alliance, who issued a press release earlier this month supporting a more comprehensive marijuana legislation such as the MORE Act, MORE, rather than the Safe Banking Act. The Safe Banking Act, along with other federal legislation such as the MORE Act, which seeks to remove marijuana from the list of scheduled substances under the Controlled Substances Act, the proposed Cannabis Administration and Opportunity Act, a comprehensive descheduling and restorative justice proposal from Senator Schumer and Senator Cory Booker, which the text of which has yet to be fully released, and the recently announced States Reform Act, which seeks to end the federal prohibition of marijuana, all represent the latest efforts in Congress to decriminalize marijuana at the federal level. While cannabis reform legislation has been gaining momentum in Congress in recent years, thus far those efforts have been unsuccessful and have not passed through the entire Congress. So if you want more information about this or other issues related to cannabis, please continue to visit our website and this podcast for the latest updates in pending cannabis legislation. I'm Jonathan Gallo, and have a great day.